Alright, this is it. We're leaving Brooklyn. And we're going to Florida. Right here. Right now. Alright, haven't left yet, but tonight is my first official night in the truck. Just woke up, feeling great. And, you know, a little cold and wet out. So let's get to it. Let's finish packing the truck up. Got a lot of errands to do today before we get on the road. Crazy.
Ice cream cake, the best kind.
Happy Florida! Alright, well I found them. I don't know where this new old stock one came from with a $50 price tag on it. There we go. I remember getting all 4 black ones, or I guess this is where the 4-piece comes in. And then I got the end caps in the front of the car. I guess I found all the pieces I wanted. Just because it's not black doesn't mean it's not correct. So one day we'll get these on the car and we'll get her painted. Until that day, we have the pieces. I'll call this one Tony Hawk, I think. Yeah, you know, a little Mayan inspiration, a little Americana, a little automotive, you know. It's my skateboarding Hawk, Tony. Not really sure what I call this guy. No arms, no tail. Cheer up, Charlie. Can't forget this death spear I made out of scrap metal. Anyway, this is my farewell to the property. I don't really want to do an interior walk around. Maybe it'll make me a little sad. But I've lived here for the past 5 years, fixed up this house, fixed up this garage, and I've built a few trucks, cars and trucks around here. I redid this radiator. It's kind of a weird thing. Never had a name for this sculpture, to be honest with you. And yeah, I trash picked that guy, restored it. This is my parents' house. The police are being police as normal, and it is finally time to hit the road and go to Florida. We're making a pit stop in Ewing first to go drop off a gift to a good friend, and after that, I mean, we hit the road and we do it. This motherfucker don't give a shit about me. He's going to see what the police are doing down there. Oh damn, the cops are here, gotta turn around. So this is my Secret Santa gift to Mike Russo. And yeah, could I have polished it to perfection? Yes, but that's not my style. I took a couple Polaroids, but this is my buddy's Mike Dakota, and it was always cool driving these two shits together. I'll miss you, man. What's up, YouTube? We're going to Florida! Alright, well, the first state is we're immediately going to be leaving New Jersey and accessing Route 1 South via Pennsylvania. This guy doesn't know that you can make a right on red here. Come on. Okay, so if you didn't know, I am now going to Naples, Florida. Let's have some fun on the way down. So first trip we're gonna do, I'm gonna stop in Virginia. It's about 4.5 hours away, and then I will be back. I will be going up Skyline Drive in the Triumph GT6. There's gonna be nothing better than driving the GT6 through the mountain. Stay tuned. Well, I forgot to take a picture of the bridge. We're already in Pennsylvania. Look, south to Philly. Here we go. I do not know who this is, but it looks like he knows how to have fun. A motherfucking deuce and a half, an old fucking OBS Power Stroke with 14 wides, and the farm bed, and of course the tow dually. Gotta be another Ford. That guy's living large. Met a trucker out of Philly and had a nice long toke. McLaren. Look at all these dang things. What's going on here? Looks like everything is safe and exactly where I left it. I just tightened up my lug nuts on either side, and it looks like we just filled up. Somehow I fit another 1.5 gallons in there, so this thing looks sweet and fucking sounds sweet. Baltimore. Okay, I found the campsite. There's definitely enough room to back the trailer up here. But wait till you see. Like I'm just walking down a dirt path. I had to make sure that there was room down here to turn around and stuff. Oh my God, you know what I mean? Whew. All right, so normalish campground. Can't see much in the dark, but she said go all the way in the back, so I believed her, but I just needed to make sure. Yeah. Okay, so I just needed to check to make sure how much room I got behind me and what we're working with, that's all. Gonna have to definitely pull her forward to get the 6 out, but that's okay. I can't wait for no fire. Is that a Lamborghini? I did buy a tripod and a new camera today, but I'd have to set up a light then too. I could have done all that, but I just wanted to get her out of there. Got a fire going. I got most of my junk put back away, and she sounds good. I don't know what's up with its inconsistencies. Alright, good morning YouTube. You can see that this is my campsite. I have a lapel mic today. This was a secret Santa gift from Tyler Bays. You can go check out his artwork. Not that he's got a YouTube or anything. But, welcome to the journey. So this is on the road to Florida, part 1 or 2, I guess. Not sure how I'm going to do it.